Welcome to Secrets of Science Solved. In this series, new explanations are offered for scientific mysteries. It is proposed that electromagnetism underlies the whole universe. This approach can be justified by the following facts. 1. James Clerk Maxwell proved that photons are derived from freed electromagnetic fields. Photonic energy underlies all the energy in the universe. Secondly, Albert Einstein showed that matter has an equivalency with energy. Therefore, it is probable that both matter and photons derive from the same basic source. This presentation is based on my book, The All-Electric Universe. The book is free to read or download at the website. Although this theory is new, the physics used is solidly based on the work of 4 of mankind's greatest scientists. Video 8. Isotopes of the elements. Many people are aware that there are 80 known stable chemical elements in the universe, but very few people are aware that there are 300 stable isotopes. The isotopes of an element all have the same chemical signature and atomic number, Z, but have different numbers of neutrons in their nuclei. The most astounding is tin, which comes in 10 different types. This means there are potentially 300 different types of stable matter in the universe. Atomic nuclei can be formed by many different forms of fission and fusion. The isotopes of a single element can originate from very different starting points but end up with the same atomic number. This means that the isotopes could naturally tend to be quite different in overall physical size. Presently, the most widely held view is that the isotopes of an element are all very similar. And while this may be true in many cases, the models presented in this series challenge that point of view. The model of atoms as a nucleus with a charge extension field setting its overall size naturally incorporates a thermal balancing mechanism that will force closely packed isotopes of that element to be of very similar size, even if they have a natural tendency to be quite different. If each isotope was separated and its properties were studied separately, it may well lead to a revolution in the material sciences. Already the separation of isotopes of uranium and hydrogen has occurred for use in the nuclear industry. Single isotope silicon is also being studied as the base for ever smaller and more complex integrated circuits. Thank you for listening, and don't forget to check out the book. It is free to read or download at the website.